Wi-Fi Direct is a function that allows devices that do not have their own internet connection to establish a connection with others that do. So you can create a wireless network using several devices. It is a very useful technology, since when connecting several devices is not limited to the use of 2 devices. You can connect several and thus pass information from a tablet to a smartphone, send multimedia to your TV, or print with a printer connected to Wi-Fi. To configure this function, enter the settings, then enter connections, Wi-Fi, and press Wi-Fi Direct to activate it on the phone. Then just press the switch, and find other devices that have this function enabled and can begin to transfer files or other functions. When using Wi-Fi Direct, you can transfer files to other devices without using cables. It's like replacing Bluetooth with a higher range and higher transfer speed. Your shipments will take less time. This option only connects devices. To fully enjoy this function, you must download an application that allows you to exchange in this way. One of the best options is Send Anywhere. With this application, you can send files easily. It's free and allows you to send large files easily.